part 1 of 2 parts. Today it's only about shooting. So where can you shoot the best? Of course, outside. So let's go. So I'm currently heading towards a local lake. Hopefully, oh my god, it's windy. I'm heading to a local lake and there's a forest as well. And I'm gonna see if I can shoot some beautiful B-roll there, so let's go. It's the same lake that you could see in my quarantine with Parrot Anafi video. So as you can see, I changed my plan. Originally I wanted to go to the lake, but now I found this spot right here with all those trees, and I think that's a pretty good spot to do a first flight. Use all the power you got. So if you have a battery, just bring it to the maximum. Just land your drone with 5% or anything, because the more shots you got, the more kind of freedom you have when you edit, and you don't miss some shots and have to redo them. There are mainly 3 types of drone shots. There's the big open wide landscape, then there's the mid-flight, that's like 20-30 meters high, and then there's this low flight where you go between obstacles like only half a meter high. So that's it from this location here. Let's move on to the next one. We're not far away from the lake, it's just like a few hundred meters. I now arrived at the lake and I'm now going to do some handheld stuff, some handheld detail shooting, because that's also very important. Only drone films look kind of boring, and yeah. Then we're going to fly between this gap. We'll see how that looks. I'm now going to leave this lake here, and I'm going to go a little bit further to that side, and then I will do like a landscape shot from up high. Thanks for watching. This is part 1. There will be part 2. Also, you can click here on the final video if you want to see it again. And I'll see you in part 2.